Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel. If this is the first time you've been to my channel, welcome. I'm so excited to be a part of Yami's Look for Less challenge. As you can see on her channel, she has some amazing different videos. Today she is co-hosting with Cody from Desert DIY. And as you can see, she does a lot of furniture refurbishing. It's a great spot to go and visit for some great ideas. So for my Look for Less challenge, I found these at the Pottery Barn. They were $239 for the set. I knew we could do better, and I think these are pretty close dupe. I found these frames at the Dollar Tree. They have that wood grain, and these are an 8x10. So what I've done is I went ahead and created in Photoshop a couple of these printables. So you will be able to print these out and have them for your own home decor. So I will just show you how I trim them down and then frame them and stage them as well. This is one of the simplest DIYs and should be something quick and easy for you to add to your home decor. And just a reminder, you'll also want to visit the playlist that I've linked below to visit all of the other amazing DIYers that are on this list that have also decided to do the Look for Less challenge. I do hope that if you enjoy this, that you will hit the like and maybe even download these free printables for your home. Also subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Now, to make these even, what I did was, this is an 8.5 by 11, so I took off 1/4 of an inch on each side to make it 8 inches, and then I needed to cut off 1/2 inch at the top and the bottom. So that's just what I've done here. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, I think we did a pretty good dupe here. $239 at the Pottery Barn, or just $2 for the frames that I did get at the Dollar Tree. I had the cardstock paper and the printer. There we are. Thanks again for watching.